In this quick start guide video, we're going to be talking about the bin camera system. Now, the bin camera system comprises of two main components, which include our radio unit and our camera unit. Now, this system overall is designed for you to be able to operate and monitor your robot inside of the bin, again, at a comfort at the ground or in your truck cab, at a distance away from the elements. Now, this camera system can mount up in two different ways. It can either mount up to the bin roof with the top magnet here, and then by tilting the cameras to get your optimum view on where you're working at or your work area, or we can fold these cameras back to basically straight up and down and remove the magnet, and this can mount directly on top of the robot for a first person type of a view, as if you were on the robot operating it. Now, in this setup, we have two included straps to be able to mount the system to the top of the robot, as well as a power adapter that plugs into your LED light port on the robot that then connects up to the camera system. But now, the power-up sequence for the camera unit is the same as if you were mounting it to the bin or on the robot, so let's go ahead and walk through that now. We'll actually start the power-up sequence with the radio unit by making sure that our antennas and batteries are installed and locating the power button right here along the right-hand side of the unit. We'll start with a short press, then followed by a long press to get everything powered up. When you see the screen and the LED come on, you know that you're powered up and it's starting its initialization sequence, and then we'll then plug in our camera unit to the power supply. Now, when you're on the bin, you will need to use the included power supply plugged into an outlet or a power source that has an outlet built into it. But when you're plugged in and powered up, you will see the green LED indicator light on the side of the camera unit light up. Now, you'll wait until you see a blue LED on the radio unit, which will indicate that it is communicating successfully with the camera unit. And in the meantime, we'll get our device opened up to be ready to connect to the radio unit when this sequence is done. Now, just as a reminder, the device that is required for this system is not included with your package, so you'll need to source your own, but go ahead and reach out to a Bin Assist partner to learn about our recommended tablets that work well with this system and for this specific use case. So to start, we'll go ahead and open our settings up on our tablet, and we'll wait to see the radio unit Wi-Fi network pop up. When we do, we'll hit connect, and then we'll jump to our Sci FPV app, which is the application used for this setup. So we'll go ahead and open this up and wait a couple seconds. We do see that blue LED is on, so we are communicating, and we should see our video feed come alive momentarily. Now that our camera feed's online, you can see we have a front and a rear view camera stream coming through. You can toggle between the two by just tapping the smaller screen in the corner or adjusting the size, dragging it, making it larger or smaller, depending on what you prefer for your view. But that's really it. This camera system is set up and ready to go. Again, if you have any other questions or want more detail, check out the user's manual on our website or reach out to your local Bin Assist partner to learn more.